Hello guys, this is Johnny Vlogger UK. Welcome to another food review. Today I've got a challenge on my hands. Yes, I'm going to have a hot spicy curry. Yes, it's the hot one. You know the one I mean. It's a vindaloo. I'm going to have a chicken vindaloo curry today. So I'm going to try this one. It's from Iceland. Iceland takeaway chicken vindaloo. There you go. I've been trying to get one of these for ages, and I've been in about 3 or 4 Iceland and they didn't have any, so I finally found a shop that had them. So I bought that, and I bought some more takeaway egg fried rice. So this was a pound, and this was $2.50. These are limited edition, I think. Yeah, it says on there, look, limited edition. So they're not. I don't know how long these are available for, and I did see another one saying extra hot, so they do an extra hot one, but this one should be quite hot anyway. So we'll give this a go, shall we? I'm dying to eat it. I've had this a couple of weeks in my freezer, so here we go. I'm going to eat it now. So let's go. I'll do a quick thumbnail. I'll do a couple of quick thumbnails so I can edit later. And I've got the curry here. It's just come out of the microwave. It's getting cold by the second. So let's give it a go. I've got my cup of water ready. I've got my beer, half empty. Right, let's get cracking. So it cooked 6 minutes, I think, the egg fried rice, and 10 minutes, 9-10 minutes, the chicken vindaloo. So the rice is going to be a bit cold. So I've just had my first mouthful of this curry. It doesn't seem that strong. So the curry is quite soft. It is just starting to kick in now, the taste. Maybe I should go and heat it up another minute in the microwave. I don't think it's hot enough. Right guys, so I went and put it in the microwave for another minute because it just didn't feel hot enough. You know, I've left it standing probably 5 minutes. So wow, that's a lot hotter now. So hopefully this is gonna kick in more now. So it's all down to the heat at the end of the day, the heat. But I did have a chicken madras extra hot the other week, and that so far seems as hotter than this. This isn't doing anything. Where are the chilies? There's no chilies in it, man. It's got on the box. Look, four chilies there. Where are the chilies in? Have they forgot to put them in? It's having no effect. Right, let's try this bit of chicken. My eyes are not watering. My tongue's not burning. This is like having a mild curry. It's not doing anything. Wow, I'm shocked. I'm really shocked. I was expecting this to be... the bee's knees. I was expecting to be in agony eating this. And I'll tell you what, it's not doing anything. So there you go, look, I've just eaten another bit. I still don't need no water. This is meant to be a chicken vindaloo. Chicken vindaloo is meant to be a hot curry, man. Look, I've eaten half. There's loads of rice on the plate. This isn't doing anything. No. So this is it's nice, it tastes nice, but it's not a strong curry, it's not hot. I mean, it's hot as I've heated it up hot, but it's not hot as in the chilies. I mean, I'm just gonna have a bit of water now. Maybe it's mildly hot. Nah. So this is very disappointed. This will not be getting a solid 10 out of 10. No. As you can see, my expressions on my face, nothing's happening. There's no effects. It's doing sweet FA. So very disappointing. So right now, I would give this a very bad mark, a very bad score. 10 being the best and 1 being the worst. Right now, I'm going to give that, no word of a lie, I'm going to give this a 3 out of 10. A 3 out of 10, guys. This is awful. This is an absolute joke. I've eaten nearly all the chicken up now. I think there's about another 2 or 3 bits of chicken on here. There's 1 bit. There's another bit. That's it. There's no more bits of chicken. It's all sauce and rice. So that's it. It's terrible. It's rubbish. It's certainly not a hot curry. Maybe I need to go and buy the extra hot one. If I can get one. But for a chicken vindaloo, this should be a lot hotter. So guys, the guys at Iceland, you need to put more chilies in this. This has got to be a lot hotter. It's nowhere near hot. Okay, I've had a couple of mouthfuls of water. I'm trying to eat all the sauce now. It's not doing anything. I mean, if I had to describe it, it isn't a weak curry. There is something there. There There's probably one chili in it or something. There's something there making your mouth, my tongue is just starting to burn a bit now. But it's taken nearly the whole curry for it to take an effect. Whereas if you watch a video of a vindaloo I did in Tenerife at the Masala in Callao Salvaje, it's in 3 parts, part 1, 2 and 3. That was 50 times stronger than this, easy. And my eyes were watering and everything. This is easy peasy. So this is a thumbs down, guys. This is a thumbs down. 3 out of 10. Maybe I'll be a bit more lenient and say 4 out of 10, but that's still pretty low. Very disappointed. Very, very disappointed. Is it because it's only £2.50 and the rice was £1, £3.50? Is it because it's too cheap? Or is it because they just don't put enough chilies in it? Whatever it is, it's making this disappointing. So 3, 4 out of 10, pretty rubbish. Yes, I'm having a bit more water now because it's starting to have a little of effect. But I'm not sweating, my eyes are not bloodshot. I'm not going, ah. My mouth's not on fire. I would say this is a medium curry. This is not a hot curry. It's not a mild. I'll say it's a medium curry. But the chicken tikka masala Iceland one I had extra hot the other week was definitely hotter than this. So, as I keep saying, for a vindaloo, it's rubbish. This is a pussy chicken vindaloo. It's a wimp's chicken vindaloo. It's rubbish. Doesn't do anything. So there you go. Look, I'm not going to keep carrying on this video. It's pointless. I've got a bit of rice. Left, and it's rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Waste of money. Not worth the money. For £3.50. Yeah, it's a meal. Pardon me, but I wouldn't. If you want a hot curry to take home, cheap, this is not living up to its name. So I'm going to end it there because this video is nearly 14 minutes, 15 minutes. So there you go. There's an honest food review from me, Johnny Vlogger UK. 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10 maybe. Rubbish, not strong enough, waste of time, very disappointed. So there you go, that's the end. If you like this video, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, it's Johnny Vlogger UK, and click the notification bell for all future video releases and lives, and I'll see you in the next one. So for now, bye bye.